Owning an older RV, in this case a 2005 Bounder, things start to age and you start replacing stuff. Like we've had to replace the TVs. That was one of the first things we did. We replaced this table, which I made a new one. We had work to do on the hot water heater. Little things like that keep creeping up. One of the things that was bothering me and I was afraid about water coming in was the front marker lights. And I looked for a couple years trying to find them somewhere within a reasonable price without much luck. And then I come across this set here on Amazon. Inside you get your 5 marker lights and wiring for a switch if you want to install them new. They show a pickup truck where they're putting them on. I don't think anybody's going to put these on a pickup truck, but these are an exact copy of what's on the roof right now. So it should make it fairly easy for us, and everything seals are all going to be brand new. There's no leaks right now, but I want to keep it that way. As you can see, the color of the lens is faded, the screws are rusty, and I'm sure the O-rings and seals are cracked. At 15 years, these marker lights have reached the end of their life cycle. Removing the old lights was easy because the nose cone is fiberglass. Other than the screws might be rusty. Don't force a screwdriver and they will come out fine. Worst case scenario, break the lens and then use vice grips to remove the screws. Carefully cut the wires close to the light, one at a time, and don't let the end fall into the hole or you could have a problem getting it back out. Using a straight razor, remove the old gasket and die core and then clean the fiberglass with any suitable cleaner. In the opening I said these are an exact copy of the old marker lights. Well, not exactly. The old ones are designed to screw into a metal pickup truck roof. One of the installation screws grounds the light to the metal roof, completing the electrical circuit. On a fiberglass roof like we have here, we have a small modification that needs to be made to the base before installation. Drilling a small hole in the base will allow the negative wire from the RV to pass through and be terminated under the front mounting screw. It's an easy fix which will not create a leak, and the mounting the wire under the fixture would not work as the terminal would not allow the light to sit flat on the roof. Back up on the roof, connect the positive leads together. These will normally be black on a 12-volt DC circuit such as an RV or car. I use crimp-on connectors as this connection will be inside the RV and not susceptible to corrosion due to the weather. Next, I passed a white wire through the hole previously drilled in the base and crimped on a spade or ring connector. Using a suitable screw, fasten the rear of the base loosely onto the roof, being careful the gasket is in the right place. Install the front screw with the new terminal under it, and before tightening, move the wire so it won't interfere with the bulb. This is how it should look when the base is complete. All that's left to do is install the bulb, then screw down the lens. I sealed the base with die core, although I could have used silicone because the nose is made of fiberglass. All that's left to do is test it out. I'm very happy with the results. The color is restored and I'm confident this will not leak for many years to come. I hope you've enjoyed this video and subscribe to see future videos. Thanks for watching.